Here we have the question of what is an equation in standard form of the line that has the x-intercept x of -2 and y-intercept of 3. Now recall the standard form is the equation written as ax plus by is equal to c. So when we have these intercepts, what we can do is we can plug them into the equation and we can see which equation has both of these working. Right? So my x-intercept, when we say that, the y value is 0. So I'm really plugging in the ordered pair, -2, 0. For my y-intercept, my x value is 0. So I'm looking at 0, 3. And so those are the 2 points that I'm going to be trying to solve these equations with. So let's start with A. So on A, I'm going to plug in -2, 0. So I have 2 times -2 minus 0 equals -3. So 2 times -2 is -4. And -4 minus 0 is -4. So for A, I'm going to put an A here, my first point didn't work. So we can eliminate that option. So now let's try B. So again, for B, I'm going to plug in -2, 0. So where the x is, I put a -2. Where y is, I put a 0. Alright, so 3 times -2 is -6. And 2 times 0 is 0. And -6 plus 0 is not equal to 6. So B is not an option. Alright, so now let's try C. So for C, I have again, I'm doing -2, 0, so let me mark that. So I'm going to have -2 times -2 plus 3 times 0 equals 4. So -2 times -2 is +4. And 3 times 0 is 0. So here I get 4 is equal to 4. Alright, so this first term is working. But we don't know if the second point is going to work or not. So we need to actually test for both points. So now I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do it with 0, 3. So I have -2 times 0 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 4. So here that cancels out, leaving me with 0 plus 9 equals 4. So 9 does not equal 4, so C is not our option either. So that leaves us with option D. And I'm going to show you guys what it would look like if we just did the arithmetic. But from elimination, we have just gotten to D. So if I plug in -2, 0, I get 3 times -2 minus 2 times 0 equals -6. 3 times -2 is -6. 2 times 0 is 0. So you see, this first part worked. So now I'm going to try it with the 0, 3. So then I have 3 times 0 minus 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So if I do my multiplication, I get 0 minus 6 equals 6, or equals -6, good grief. So then I get -6 equals -6. So if you see, on this one, both of the answers worked, therefore D is the solution.